Unlock the power of collaboration by mastering Notion page sharing, turning your isolated notes into shared hubs of productivity. Let's dive right into sharing your valuable insights in Notion. The first step is to open the Notion page you want to share. Once it's open, look for the Share button, usually located in the top right corner of your page. Clicking Share will pop open a familiar-looking Modal. This is your central hub for all sharing options, giving you granular control over who sees what. The easiest way to share with specific individuals is by inviting them directly. Simply type their email address into the Invite People field and hit Enter. You can also grant them different permission levels like can view, can comment, or can edit, which is crucial for managing collaboration effectively. For broader sharing, you can generate a shareable link. Click the Copy Link button. This will create a unique URL that you can send to anyone, no matter if they have a Notion account or not. Think of it as your digital handshake. Want to make your page accessible to everyone on the internet? Toggle on Share to Web. This makes your page publicly viewable, perfect for portfolios, company-wide announcements, or content you want to broadcast. When you share to the web, you'll see another toggle: Allow editing. Use this with caution. If enabled, anyone with the link can directly contribute to your page. It's fantastic for open feedback or community-driven content, but be mindful of who you grant this power to. You can always revisit this sharing menu to add more people, change existing permissions, or remove access entirely. It's a dynamic process, ensuring your information stays secure and accessible to the right people at the right time. And that's it. You're now a Notion sharing pro. By leveraging these simple yet powerful features, you can foster seamless collaboration, boost team communication, and maximize your productivity. Happy sharing!